Hello everyone, this is Karen McNull. I'm with Inspired by Graham, and I thought I would come on YouTube to just let you know that my Frames and Flowers sampler class and a card class, I'm going to give you a little bit of extra time until 11:30 p.m. Eastern Daytime on September 16th, which is today, the day I'm filming the video. And I just wanted to go over the class with you, just to show you what it looks like, what you receive in the package, and your ordering options as well. So in front of you is a sampler. I've taken it out of the frame here. You'll have the option to add on the frame. But let's go through it a little bit. We are using the Frames and Flowers specialty paper, designer specialty paper from Stampin Up. Some of the verses here are printed out, and you'll get those on a sheet. You'll get 2 of each. You'll need certain dies to be able to die cut, but if you don't have those dies, you can use what you have, or you can special order them through me. This is a 12 by 12 sampler, so it does fit in those like box frames. Let me just show you here. I think they come in white and black, but I prefer the white one on this because of just how fresh and inviting the Frames and Flowers paper is, and there's a lot more white in it than the traditional black. So this is the verses that are printed out. They are printed out on our basic white regular cardstock, and you'll again get 2 of each. So if you die cut incorrectly or something doesn't come out, you do have a second opportunity to die cut that out. The squares, let's take a look at these. They're all 3 by 3 Lost Lagoon squares, and you'll be getting instructions on how to make each and every one. For instance, this one here, it says home, and you're going to get all 4 letters along with the embossed panel that is behind here and Pretty Peacock. I love the Pretty Peacock and Lost Lagoon colors in the paper. Also, we're going to be using a stamp set which is called Grateful Blessings, and you have the opportunity to stamp out 2 of those from the sentiment, and we'll be making 3 cards as well in this class. So a super great opportunity for you to make a sampler of your own, or you can order as many if you want of these, maybe for a friend, or if you're looking for a holiday gift coming up. There you go, birthday, anniversary, whatever, for a friend. But this is the stamp set. Again, it's called Grateful Blessing. It is a photopolymer stamp set, and we're going to be using a lot of these. I think we're actually using every single one. I'll take a look at the cards in just a second. I do not use the images here. I am just using the sentiments. You can use the images on the cards if you would like. And let's take a look at the cards. So here's this one. It's horizontal, and this is using one of the frames in the specialty paper. And you'll see some of the die cuts as well. So this is You're Such a Blessing. This is stamped in Pretty Peacock ink. And if you do not have that ink color, you are able to add that on your order, plus a ink pad refilled. So make sure when you're ordering your ink pads that you include an ink refill. The next card is a thank you for your prayers, and again, I'm using some of those die cuts. This is one of the standard 4 by 5, no, actually it's 3 3/4 by 5 designer paper cut down. And you can see I use the Nested Essentials dies. You'll receive a blank or basic white blank one that you can stamp your sentiment on. So that's this one here. And then the final one, we're using lots of different strips of the designer paper, some embellishments, and this gorgeous ribbon. So let's go over the other supplies that you will receive in this class. All right, you'll have the opportunity to add on, again, the frame here, and then the designer paper. It's a specialty paper because it has die cuts in it. You'll receive a full pack of this, so you'll have lots and lots of pieces that you'll be able to use to create cards, scrapbooking, 3D objects. So the limit is just like, there's no limit. You'll receive 1 sheet of Stampin Dimensionals because you're going to be using almost this whole sheet by, giving all those squares and die cut some dimension. These are the Pecan Pie and clear ribboned adhesive back dots. So you'll receive a full package of the dots. Also, you will receive a some liquid glue, a full bottle of that. And then again, we're using that iridescent ribbon. I don't have it because I'm totally out of it. But we do add it on to a few pieces here as a bow on this one on your sampler. And then on the cards themselves, here's a great, hopefully you can see this, a look at the ribbon. It really makes nice bows and it's very glittery and shiny as well. And you can see the stripes there, hopefully. So, and then you can decide how you want to embellish the inside of your cards. There's lots of die cuts that you can use. I did use this paper in my August card club, and I designed the insides of the cards basically by using lots of the images from the paper. So that was super fun to do. All right, so again, you'll receive Stampin Dimensionals, a yard, approximately a yard of the iridescent striped ribbon, liquid glue, the Pecan Pie and clear ribbon dots, and you'll also receive a printout of the instructions. I'm also including a basic white 12 by 12 piece of paper there, cardstock, so you'll be able to just glue this right down. As you can see, I just noticed this actually. I used a ruler and a pencil, and I still have those lines on there. So I guess I gotta erase those, but I will show you how you'll be able to put those on with no issues. You shouldn't have any issues with my instructions there. I am also selling this as a PDF tutorial, and that would be on my registration link. It's $20 for the PDF tutorial only. If you would like this class shipped, it's $60, which includes the shipping. If you are local to me and you would like to porch pickup, that price is $48. And if you want to include the frame, that is, it's priced, actually it's priced in the registration. I can't remember off the top of my head. It's like $12 or $13. I think it's $13 locally. And then for people that are ordering it shipped, I can't guarantee that it will come to you in one piece because it's glass, but it all depends on how UPS or USPS handle your product, your package, but that there will be a special price in there for you as well. So you can get all of this information at the link in my description box. So if you just copy and paste that, it will bring you to a informational email. And then if you click the register now button, don't worry, it's not going to register you now. It's going to provide you all the information that you need to register for my class. So again, this is a sampler and a card class. I do sell a lot of the samplers, so I hope you take advantage of this. It's a great opportunity, a great price, and just another way of paper crafting. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. You register quickly. The deadline is today, September 16th at 11:30 Eastern Day time. So take care. If you have any questions, you can shoot me an email at Karen@inspiredbygram.com. Thanks for watching, and I'm so happy to be back with a video. Take care.